Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix TradingView paper trading when you cannot trade or place an order. So this usually happens because of a connection issue, incorrect order settings, or a temporary browser problem. So first, reconnect your paper trading account, open TradingView and go to Trading Panel. Click the drop-down arrow beside paper trading, then log out. After that, return to the broker section, select paper trading and connect again. Next, check if the market for your selected assets is open. Orders may not work when the market is closed or the symbol is restricted. You can also try a major stock or cryptocurrency pair to test it. You can also reset the paper trading account, click the settings icon, select reset account, and confirm. So this will refresh the balance and default settings. After that, review your order details, check the quantity, order type, limit price, and available funds. And make sure the order size is within your account balance. And finally, close TradingView and completely exit your browser. Reopen it, return to TradingView, and try placing the order again. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.